Since 2001, Environmental Law and Policy Center has been leading efforts to boost renewable energy and energy efficiency from farms, ranches, rural, small businesses. And we were instrumental in bringing about the new energy title in the last Farm Bill, the 2002 Farm Bill. And we worked with senators, especially on a bipartisan basis, Republicans and Democrats both, to bring this new energy title to life, to encourage new clean energy development in the nation's heartland and rural areas, since after all, most rural areas is where you're going to find renewable energy development. And since 2002, ELPC has been leading national efforts to expand the programs, make the programs work, working with states to develop complementary state programs, working with our allies around the Midwest and around the country to strengthen the programs, and they're really producing results now with much more clean energy. These programs help farmers invest in new community wind projects, so we see a lot more wind power development around the country as a result of the Farm Bill energy title. These programs also help farmers invest in biofuels expansion, environmentally sustainable ethanol, biodiesel, similar programs. These programs help farmers install new energy efficiency improvements, which improve their productivity, lower consumer costs, and help everyone save energy. Wind is a perfect example because wind power doesn't produce any pollution, doesn't pollute at all. And so every megawatt of wind power can displace or take the place of coal power and other carbon-emitting power sources. So wind power displaces dirty carbon, dirty coal sources. Energy efficiency is really excellent because that means less power of any sort is being used. Solar power, same thing, and biofuels, which is really good because on balance, advanced biofuels, especially biofuels produced from new energy crops, produces far less global warming pollution than extracting and using the same amount of gasoline. Well, most of the ethanol that's produced now, nearly all the conventional ethanol, is just produced from the starch in the corn kernel. Advanced biofuels can recover other parts of the corn stalk and the corn plant itself, which is why we refer to this fuel as cellulosic fuel. So research is ongoing, and we are poised at the beginning of expanding this kind of development. And the cellulosic biofuels, for example, are much better for the environment, and there's more potential to produce more cellulosic biofuels without doing environmental harm.